Welcome to the Bellman Assistant app tutorial. In this episode you'll learn how to install the Bellman Assistant app and set up your Bellman Bridge. So, let's get started. On your mobile phone or tablet, tap the App Store or Google Play icon to open it. To locate the app, type Bellman Assistant in the search field at the top of the screen and tap Search. Tap the Bellman Assistant icon to read more about the app. When you're done reading, tap Get or Install to download the app. If needed, double-click the side button or use Touch ID to confirm the installation. Locate the Bellman Assistant app icon on the home screen and tap it to launch the app. If needed, tick the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Tap the Start button to initiate the setup. Please note that the first time you use the app, you need to allow access to, for instance, Bluetooth, location, and notifications. If you haven't already installed your Bellman Bridge, now is the time. First, unpack it and pull the battery tab. Then tap Next to initiate pairing. Hold down the Bridge Top Test button until the two front LEDs start to blink alternately. Please wait, the procedure can take up to a minute. Tap Pair in the Bluetooth Pairing Request dialog to complete the pairing sequence. If you want to, you can tap the button to test the connection to your Visit system. Your receiver will start to sound, flash, or vibrate, depending on your Visit setup. Tap Next to finalize the installation. Pick a central position and mount the bridge on the wall. Tap Next to connect it to power. Connect the USB cable to the power adapter and plug it into the power outlet. Tap Done to start exploring your app. Now it's time to start adding your legacy Visit transmitters to your mobile. To add a device, tap Plus and select the unit in the list. Once you have added all your transmitters, you can start to enjoy Visit notifications on your mobile device. Tap the link below to learn how to set up your Bellman watch.